Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, when I remember, I mean, last time I remember we did this. So, we are gonna do this today. So, it's a medium level problem. It says camel case matching, and the problem statement goes like this. So, we were given a array of strings named queries and a pattern string. It's a string and a boolean. We have to return a boolean array where element is true if query matches the pattern and false otherwise. Okay, a query word, I mean the elements of query matches pattern if you can insert lowercase english letters into the pattern so that it equals the query. You can insert a character at any position in pattern, or you may choose not to insert any character at all. So let's see. For example, here we have a list of queries. Foo bar consists of capital F and capital B, so it's true. It has capital F, capital B, and capital T, so it's a false. And FB it's true. FB is true. Here we have FFB, so it's false. So let's start. Let's go. Let's see the constants before we do. The length of the queries will be between 1 and 100, and the length of string will be between 1 and 100, and each element in the queries and pattern consists of english letters. So let's go through every element. Let's start a pointer p equals to 0 while foba, wait a minute, fopa. So this is true for foba, false. Like this, fo plus o plus b, okay. Then like fo ot plus bl. Wait a minute guys, let me recheck. True. Okay, false for fuba test, true for football, false for frame buffer, and force feedback. Fine. While p is less than length of I, Uh, Wait a minute. Sorry. Sorry guys. It is upper with small u of. Let's add a test case and see what will be the result. True, false. Okay. So the smalls need not be in the. Fine. Yo. So what we have to do is we'll keep a pointer here and a pointer here. It's checked. Let's move to the next pointer. Oh, this is fine too. It will move right. B is found. A is found. So let's see how it is going. Football test. Force feedback. Okay. Here. Football test. Frame buffer. Force feedback. Frame buffer. Force feedback. Football test. Frame buffer. Force feedback. Sorry. Should be here. Okay. Two, 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 1. Two false. Frame buffer. Football test. Frame buffer. Force feedback. frame buffer, force feedback. Yeah, footbar test 1 2 3 4 5 footbar. If P does not equals to is the then length of to bend. Let's do one thing. Well, this is working fine. Let's try submitting it. If it works fine, let's discuss the intuition. Well, this is working fine, and seems like it is a better solution. So let me explain the intuition here. We are going through every string in the list from the starting to the end, and initially we are considering it as a valid case, so we are appending true to it, and we initialized a pointer p equals to 0, and in the second loop we are going through every character in the string and checking if it is matching the pattern foo bar. So we have f capital F and capital B here. So if we have any extra capitals here, capital case letters, for example, we have capital F, and capital B here, which is extra uppercase. So we changed this true where we have initially considered to false, and we are breaking the loop. if the loop completed and the length of p is not equals to the length of the pattern, it's lesser than the length of the pattern, then we are changing the true or maybe false to false again, to the false. So we are considering it as two cases: one where we have extra uppercase letters, two when we lack few lowercase letters, or the case where we lack uppercase letters, which will be handled by this. So this is the intuition, guys. I hope you guys understand. And the test cases are also very slim. Maybe I don't know whether we have these 39 cases cover all the edge and all the cases. Let's see a different solution. How others doing the same. So camel match, pattern match of, okay, they are going through each. Okay, this pattern match will return true or false. They are passing q, which is a query or element from the a string from the list, and the pattern which was given by the problem statement. So they are going through the each. They have a two pointers here. So while I use less than length of string, so he's iterating over the string here. If j equals to length of the pattern, if the pattern was uh, exhausted, I mean ran out of the length of the pattern, then we are seeing if it is lower, it's the same as what we are doing here. We kept if it is upper, then we are breaking it, and the same thing goes here. If it is lower, he is incrementing the I value, or else if it is upper, he is returning false, just like us breaking here and keeping it false. Or if the j is not exhausted and both have a match, we are incrementing I and j. If s of I is lower, then we are incrementing I to plus 1. Or else if s of as the comment says, uh, if the s of I is uppercase and there is no match, that means here there is no match found here, so that will come to here. And if it is not lower, it is upper, then only it will comes to here. So he is returning false in this case. If the entire loop was completed, if the length of the pattern is equals to j, just like we checking this thing here, and finally we're returning the answer. So it's the same as ours, but in a different approach. So I hope you guys understood the intuition, and I am hoping that you will keep learning, keep pushing hard, and work towards your goal. If you like the video, upvote it and share it to your community. If you like the content of our channel, subscribe to the channel and enable the bell icon, I mean, enable notifications so that you won't miss a new video. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask me in the comment sections. I'll try to answer every question. Hmm, that's it, guys. We'll meet again with another problem. Until then, goodbye and thank you.